first step, connect the cups to your pipe like this. I just use the small cup as an example and connect this to your machine here. Okay. Now you can see the interface of the machine. You can adjust the suction power here and adjust the time here. And the suction time means the time the machine to produce the suction and start it. If you put the two cups on your body at the same time, they will produce suction and suck your skin like this. During the treatment, you can adjust the suction power according to your feeling by this. But we recommend you start it at 20 in your first treatment. You can see here is mode 1, mode 2, and mode 3. The suction time and release time between this mode is different. You can choose it by your according to your needs. Okay, let's see the mode 1. And let's try the mode 2. And mode 3. Okay, you can feel the time of the machine to produce the suction is different. And you can adjust the time here by yourself according to your needs and your feeling.